Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yoli for those who are new here, and I am back with another review. And if you would like to see how I got this style, please stay tuned. So today's hair is from Hot Braids, and along with the hair came a tote bag and some hair tools, including the crochet needle and some clips. And this is how the hair looked when it first came out of the packaging. So I'm going to have some leave out in the front and the middle of my head, and everything else is going to be braided up. So essentially I'm going to have like braids going down the side, and then, two anchor braids, and then total it's about 10 to 11 braids. Honestly, when you do crochet styles, your braiding pattern can be honestly any way, or it can be as big as possible. I love that about crochet that you can have like 4 braids and put crochet hair on top of it, and it's like a full head. But I ended up doing about 10 to 11 braids, with including the anchor braids at the top. And I did use some rubber bands to hold everything together because my hair is short and I couldn't braid it all together. But it worked out. And this is the hair after I washed it. And this is how it looked fully dry. So again, this is crochet hair, and this is in the texture Afro Kinky Coily, which best matches for A to 4B hair type. I feel like the crochet method is one of the most simplest methods of applying crochet hair. So of course you'll see me apply the hook underneath my braid, and then latch the hair onto the hook, close it and pull it back through, and then loop the hair through the crochet loop. You'll see me do that again. And it is a fairly easy and quick method. And because of the texture of the hair is very voluminous, so you don't really need so much hair, but I used as much hair as possible, and I loved the outcome. I would say it took me about 3 to 4 hours to apply the crochet hair. I am a person who likes to take my breaks, and I did it throughout the day, so I would say it took me 3 to 4 hours, but you can definitely get it finished quicker than that. I really love the ombre of the hair, like the black roots going from the honey brown to the like ash blonde. I think this hair suited me really well, and I think the black roots really had my hair blend perfectly with this hair, so I really enjoyed that. And the texture is really amazing. Like, it's just like my hair. I feel like my hair is a little bit more coily, but it was a perfect match regardless. So this is the hair that was left over. So as you can see, I used as much hair as possible and it came out very voluminous and beautiful. And so now I'm going to get ready to apply some product to the hair and define those curls. So before applying products to the hair, I always make sure the hair is essentially drenching wet. That's because the more wet the hair is, the better defined the curls can be. And the products that I decided to use for this hair was like a cream from Camille Rose and a mousse from the Dough or the Dew. And it turned out really well in defining my curls. Next time, I would definitely use more mousse for a little bit more of a hold, but I still think the results were very beautiful, and you'll see that shortly. I feel like by doing this method to the curls, I was able to define them a little bit more, as you can see here. And the last step was just for me to define my curls. And I just essentially added the same products, the cream and the mousse. And after applying that, I wanted to blend my hair with the crochet hair as much as possible. So I ended up, twisting some of it with the crochet hair. And that helped blend it a lot. And this is how it looked dried. At this point, I wasn't really feeling the middle part. I'm much more of a side part girly at times, so I just went ahead and did a side part, and that was way better. And I was loving the results of this hair. This is how it looked fully dry. As you can see, it's very voluminous, very beautiful, and I got so many compliments on this hair when I went out. I mean, like, at least 10 people complimented this hair. So, yeah, I think I did a good job. But I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I had a good time shooting it. Please let me know if you have any questions below, and I will see you next time. Bye.